Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and we have a new little background. I've kind of been working on a more like cottagecore, more in my little elfy floral aesthetic I've been going for background for videos, so I don't know if you guys like it. I know there's still a lot of more work to do. I've been doing a lot of work, not just on my room, but on myself this week. Kind of been going through it. I've been trying to take care of myself mentally, kind of went through a rough patch. Working on being better, and I kind of took a break away from everything, and now I am here and ready to film because I really miss making videos and talking to you guys. It does help me get through some stuff, so let's just hang out and do a cute little soft yellow makeup. I know a lot of people are wanting me to do that mauve makeup from my plus size thrift haul, and I will do that, but I want to do a yellow makeup because yellow makes me happy, and I feel like doing a happy thing right now. I mean, that will be happy too, but just a fun little happy yellow makeup. And also, like, I got this cute little top and I wanted to wear it, so let's get yellow. This is just really an easy makeup. It's just something I've been doing quickly when I wanted to wear makeup. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't worn makeup in like a month. It's been rough. I know everyone's going through rough times. It's very hard. But we are all going to get through this. I know it's going to be okay. I know everything's kind of off. I got a sunburn on my chest, so like let's just ignore that. I've never really go out in the sun, so I'm not used to having a little bit of a tan, okay? It's really weird. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. We're gonna go in with the Colourpop Sailor Moon palette, which I finally got my hands on. I am so excited about this. I love it so much. I literally use it. This literally is like the best everyday palette for me. Like, these are literally all the colors I use nowadays, and like A+, A+. Let me know if you guys would like to see a Sailor Moon inspired look, because I love Sailor Moon and I have the whole collection. Okay, no, I'm missing one blush, but I pretty much have the whole collection and I'm very happy about it. So, but yeah, so I'm just gonna go and I'm going to take the yellow shade. It is Justice, and we're just gonna run that all over our crease. You know me, I love a lot of crease. I know this is a glitter color, but like, I don't care. I'll put any color anywhere I want because this is my body and I do whatever I want with it. I'm kind of just blowing this out a lot because I want this just to be a nice soft wash of yellow. It's gonna tie into our blush later, so I'm just kind of focusing the yellow. I keep wanting to use the yellow in this palette I'm using to put my shadow on, because there's a nice little like mustardy yellow, which is pretty, but like I'm wanting more of this like golden yellow. We're also gonna just run that color all throughout our lower lash line, literally just putting yellow everywhere. We are a cute little sunflower. I feel like my makeup look are getting like super simple and just soft lately. I mean, I still all do crazy colors and stuff, but like I just feel like I'm getting very just soft with my makeup, which is weird because like, you know me, I used to just go in heavy and like, it's weird. Like, I like it. I like this softer stuff. I mean, I still like to do crazy stuff too, but this just feels more me right now. So we're just gonna go in. I'm actually gonna go in with a more compact brush back into that yellow and just really deepen it in the corners. And just for a little bit of tiny depth, I'm gonna go into this peachy shade called Twilight Flash right here and just put that also into the corners of our eyes, just to add a little tiny bit of just depth and just a little bit more extra color. Not too much, it's not the focus of the eye, but it's just gonna add something to it. Then with my finger, I'm gonna go into the shade Full Moon, and I'm just gonna rub that all over my lid. Just all over the place, just everywhere. I'm gonna put a little bit over where you put that Twilight color. I just dropped all my brushes. Then I'm gonna go in with the shade Silver Millennium right here, this like shimmery white gold, and we're just gonna pop that in our inner corner. Normally this is a time where I would like go in and do mascara and lashes and all that, but I kind of want to just like make sure I'm tying in this blush to my eyes. So I don't want to do that and get mascara everywhere because I know me and I'm messy, so let's be careful. For blush, I'm going to go in with the yellow shade again, the Justice, and I'm actually going to apply that right around the edges of my cheek up by my eye. So it's kind of going to be connecting there. I actually dipped a little bit into the peach shade, which is fine because I'm going to be adding that, but I'll just blend that a little bit more. So add a little bit there too. There we go. So I'm taking a little bit of the peach shade Tuxedo Rose. I'd add that to the corner since it was an accident, but it's kind of a happy accident because I was originally planning on putting that on the balls of my cheeks, which I still will. We're just going to meld the two together, add a little bit more of the yellow into that. Just kind of keep building up those colors. I'm kind of crazy about blush, and I literally bring it up all the way to my forehead because I just believe I should have blonde in the 80s. We're going to bring all that yellow to this part of the cheek. And on the tip of the nose. And then we're going to go back into Tuxedo Rose and just pop that in the center and really blend it. And then just go in with your powder brush and just kind of blend it all together. Go in with a white eyeliner and just run it on my lower lash line just to open it up and make it look more spritey. And now I'm going to apply mascara and lashes and I'll be right back. So my makeup may be getting softer, but my lashes are always going to be gigantic. Let's highlight now. We're going to go into my favorite highlighting palette at the moment. That is Lime Crime's Fairies highlight. Oh, it's just such like nice soft colors that are perfect for what I'm going for. And I'm just going to go into the shade Enchantment and I'm just going to apply this all over the high points of my face. And I'm also going to go into the shade Magic as well and just top it off. For lips, I'm going to go into Lime Crime's Velveteen and Squash and just add a tiny bit of that and just rub it out. I want it just super soft. And then I'm going to top that with the Sailor Moon gloss in Sailor Moon. It's actually the Sailor Moon gloss from that collection. And that is the final soft yellow Cottagecore makeup. Yeah, just something super soft and easy, quick to get into, looks super cute with just any little soft outfit, especially with accents of yellow. Just something I've been doing a lot. I really like it. I like using the Sailor Moon palette a lot. It makes me happy. So this is it. This is the look. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because that would just be really, really rad of you guys. Also, comment down below if you'd like to see more looks with the Sailor Moon Colourpop collection or like even a Sailor Moon look or just more fun costume looks. I'm kind of getting back into wanting to do makeup again and just wanting to be doing stuff again. So let me know what you guys want to see. I also have some more cute clothing hauls planned because I'm really into just like style videos again. I really love fashion, so I'm feeling it a lot. So thank you guys again. I hope you stay lovely. Bye!